Hello, my many friends out there. So today we are taking class 5 subject English pattern ICSE. So today we are taking the chapter number 10 clouds and waves. So this is the poem. So let's see the answer key of the poem clouds and waves. Let's see the first question. Choose the correct. First one. The clouds and the waves are calling the speaker to play with them. Answer is C. Second one, the clouds play from the morning till the day ends. Answer is C. Let's see the third one. The clouds smile and float away after listening the speakers. Fourth one, the wave asks the speaker to come to the edge of the shore. Answer is B. Fifth one, the speaker seems to, answer is B, love his mother very much. Let's see some other question from the chapter. So this we can see now. There is no grammar in the poem. So let's see the question answer. Read the following lines and answer the following question. First one. We play from the time we wake till the day end. A. Who said these words and to whom? Answer is these words were said by the clouds to the child. The clouds invited the child to come and play with them. Let's see B from the 1. Why did the speaker say so? Answer is the cloud said this to attract the child towards their joyful words. They wanted child to join them in their fun and games. Let's see question number 2. But how am I to get up to you? A. Who said this word and to whom? Answer is the child said this word to the cloud. The child wanted to know how to reach them in the sky. Let's see question B from 2. What answer did the listener give to the question? Answer is the clouds told the child to become to the edge of the earth. They said the child cloud lift the hands to the sky and reach them. Let's see question number 3. We sing from morning till night on and on we travel. A. Who sang from morning till night? Answer is the waves sang from morning till night. They kept moving happily across the sea. Let's see B. Why didn't the speakers know where they pass? Answer is the waves were always traveling without stopping, so they did not notice where they were pass. Let's see question number 4. How can I live here and go? A. Who do I and here refer to in these lines? Answer is I refer to the child and her refer to the mother. The child loved the mother very much. Let's see B from fourth question. Why couldn't the speaker leave her? Answer is the child could not leave the mother because of deep love and affection. The child wanted to stay close to the mother always. You can pause the screen and write the answer quickly. Let's see. Think and answer. Do you think the speaker in the poem is imaginative and creative? Give reason for your answer. Yes, the speaker is very imaginative and creative. The child imagines playing with cloud and waves and creates beautiful idea about nature and love. Let's see question number 2 from Think and Answer. What does this tell us about the speaker? Answer is, this tell us about the speaker love the mother deeply. The child cares more for the mother than for fun and adventure. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the another video with chapter number 11.